Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you added the wrong tags or want to improve your SEO strategy. So I'm talking about removing the actual tags from SEO listings. We all want this from time to time. So I basically get you or got the main idea here. So we're gonna do all of this by going through the shop manager. You're gonna ask me how. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna go all the way, look for Etsy.com, tap on this website to go through Etsy. Then make sure you log in using your email address and password so we can access this dashboard. As you see, there is multiple options, multiple basically things that you can buy. I'm gonna go all the way and look for the shop manager in this top right corner. Tap on shop manager, then tap on listings, then open your listing, then scroll all the way to tags. Click the small X next to any tag to delete it, then save your changes. As for the important note, updating tags can affect your ranking, so give changes time to work. As for a pro tip, don't remove all tags at once. Test and optimize gradually, step by step, and you're gonna get better. Your shop gonna get more visitors, more buyers. That's what we all want. Plus, if you want any ideas, you want something to add to your tags, you can either Google it, best tags for your products, or come here into the search and type, for example, whatever, Nike or wedding gifts. It depends if you are selling any of these. Make sure to add them through the basically tags, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.